Today's Friday, starts with CAF, and this is 6:08 or 6:10. Yeah, 6:09 now. So I'm done with CAF for the day. Next things now is to do deep work, exercise, eat breakfast, and yeah, go for Jama. Oh, so this is 10 past 10. I don't know. It's 10 past 10. I'm taking breakfast. I'm taking breakfast as a smoothie. So yeah, made yesterday. I finished the design. Let me show you what I did. So aside that, what do I have to do again? The audio is going to be very bad because I'm not connecting the microphone, but I have a feeling that I still have to meal prep. So when is 11:10, I'll be going to the mosque for Juma. What else? I don't know. Right now, what I normally do is just like I wake up, go to mosque, sit down, walk, then walk for like an hour, then walk out for 30 minutes, bath, eat something as I'm walking again. Then I keep walking till I remember that I want to go and pray, or someone calls me, or I have a class. Yeah, but it's just like walk. I've only seen that my work is not saying my work is like I'm not making money per se, you know. If you check my newsletter, the last one I made, I not the last one, the previous to the last one, the last two ones. I was talking about how I need to learn again and not focus on earning and focus on learning. So that's like my current strategy right now. Let's learn a lot. So in the meantime, I started working on my content creation on Instagram and Twitter and everything. So I recorded videos of me working on the process of building this thing, of designing this app. So I will be editing that now since I don't have anything to do yet. Oh, I still have work to do. But I'll be editing that now and see how that turns out. So I'll show you that soon. I said I'll record a video of me going to the mosque to pray, and I forgot. I just remember just like, oh, so didn't record anything. That's it. It was like freedom. So, I'm about to pray now. So what's up? This is 5:12. I procrastinated till it was getting too late. So you can see the sky now. It's getting dark already. But I still have to go for a run, or at least a brisk walk for 30 minutes at least. 20 to 30 minutes. Sometimes I don't do 45 minutes every single time. Oh, it's supposed to be slanted, sorry. 45 minutes every single time. But I try to be the habit of at least making sure I'm consistent with it. So yeah, I am. I'm going for it now. Now the thing is, yeah, I'll go for a run. And I perform ablution. So when it's time to pray, I just need to go to the mosque or perform ablution again with time with my socks. Because I'm wearing a shoe. Can you see my shoe? Yeah. One reason why I don't like going outside is because of the flies. They used to stop me. You see? But anyways, let's go. I was running for a while now without stopping. But I saw dogs. And if they chase me, I have to run faster. And I can't pass more. So I stopped. But it's funny how if you keep going, it doesn't get easier. But you get to you have this power to to make you feel as if it's nothing. I can tell myself pain is temporary, regret is permanent. And as I kept saying that in my head, I just kept going and I closed my eyes. I imagine myself working my laptop and like, you have to do what it takes, you have to do what's required. Pain is temporary, regret is permanent. Make no regrets, make no regrets. I don't know. Oh, gosh. And I'm bouncing. It would be hard to start running again because I stopped. But yeah, I tried. This is 5:21. I'm still going to 5:40, so I need to keep going. Yeah, we'll catch up. This is 5:27, and I was at the run. There's a dog here that's looking at me, trying to bark. Come here. So I'm having ulcer pain already. My tummy, or the left side of my tummy. It's really paining me. You feel like I'm being lazy. Oh really? It's like ulcer. It's like ulcer. Dogs are coming again. I told them I'm not sure. They come near me. I'll actually give them a punch. No animals make me scared again unless they're a wild animal. Like a wolf or lion that can kill someone alive. But a very big dog. I'm afraid of big dogs. Oh yeah. So next time I'll give my fear of dogs. This time last year I couldn't even see a dog eye to eye. Look at me now. Growth. So it's 5:41. Yeah, I would say I run and walk for like everything together 30 minutes. But how are you? Somewhere. I'm in the mosque, sir. What's with Maghrib? Maghrib. Passing Quran. Bye. So that's the video. That's my routine basically. I read that day. This is the phone I used to read. So that's why I couldn't feel myself reading because the phone I used to read is what I'm using to film basically. And I forgot to until late at night if I remember that oh god I've not read. So my issue with reading is still there. I don't read on time. But I'm working on that. Still day 5. I'll beat up the habit soon. In the meantime, if you guys are wondering how I track my activities, how do I keep up with the Zone 5 hard, I made a Notion template which is currently free. I don't plan to make it paid anytime soon, so yeah, use it, get better, get your life together, and yeah. So that's one. Secondly, for those who are wondering, wow, it's also for 5 minutes, why are you working out 20 or 30 minutes? Here's the thing, it's working out. Some people have been doing this previously, like I've been working out since last year, but I don't do endurance workout. I just like do 40 push-ups, like 10, 10, 10, and that's it. So it can be 5 minutes because I'm fast at push-ups. But when it's not like you do push-ups, you do wide arm push-ups, you do hike, so those things stress me down, you know. So when and also the video I watched too, the video I'm watching on YouTube that I'm following along is 30 minutes. I do 30 minutes. If it's 20 minutes, I do 20 minutes. So I feel that With 45 minutes, I break it down into two and I do 25 minutes. I did one time, so it was very tiring. So, but that's the thing. It's not just about doing exactly what they say, perfection, but it's about building the consistent habits. Because in the long term, all these good habits will pay off. So if you are trying to make it perfect now, you will burn out and lose motivation later on. So that's something for those who are wondering. And the book I'm reading is about the business of design. I can't get the screenshot. I'm not gonna put it out there, but like, I might write it in the caption, like, "Oh, this is a book I'm reading." It's free. It's for designers. It's about. Anyways, what else? I'm not sure. If you have any questions, ask me. Any other thing, ask me. For now, check out my newsletter description below. Check out the Notion templates for tracking your daily challenge description. Check my social media handles description. If you want to hire me, I'm a designer. I need jobs. Description. I guess, or reach out to me. I don't know. Okay now. Bye.